Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Borderlands 4 game freezing, stuttering, low FPS drop, crashing, not launching, not loading, showing black screen or other issues on PC. So let's go through it. So the first method is to restart PC as well as Steam. So for that, go to Steam and click on Steam option over here, then click on exit, and after that click on start option, then click on power and select restart. So this will restart your PC. After that, check if you can launch the game. If not, next solution is to run game as administrator. So for that, you need to go to the game installation folder and right click on the exe file and then run game as administrator, or you can go to Steam, go to the library section. Now select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on browse local files. After that, this will take you to the game folder. Select the game. Click on browse local files. Then this will take you to the game folder where it is installed. Right click on the application, click on properties, then click on compatibility, and here's click on run this program as an administrator, hit on apply and OK, and then launch the game and see if it works. If not, click on run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7, then hit on apply and OK, and then check if the problem is fixed or not. Next is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on properties. Now click on install files, and here you need to click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the files, now check if it helps. Next is to update a graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search for device manager, then go below expanded display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, then again click on search automatically for drivers. So if any update is available, update your drivers to the latest version and then check if it helps. Nvidia and AMD users can go through the link I have already given in the description and update their graphics card, and after that try to play the game and see if it is working. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So for that, Steam users go to Steam, click on Steam option over here, then go to the settings. After that, click on in-game, and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in-game. You simply need to click on it to disable it. After that, check if the problem is fixed. Discord overlay users, go to user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay option. For GeForce experience, open it, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and switch off in-game overlay option. Also, if there is any other third-party overlay applications like Nvidia Shadowplay, MSI Afterburner, then you should disable it, as this can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. So after trying this method, check if the problem is fixed. Next is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, properties, then here you need to type -dx11 and then check if it resolves the problem. If not, type -dx12 and then launch the game and see if it is working. Next is to allow Borderlands through firewall. So for that, go to the search option, search for Windows Defender Firewall. Now click on allow an app or feature, then click on change settings, and here you should check if the game is listed over here. If not, you can click on allow another app, then click on browse local, browse files, and from here you need to add the game to the list. After adding it, select the game and then click make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. After this, check if you can play the game. Next is to clear download cache. For that, go to Steam, click on Steam option over here, then click on settings, then click on downloads, and here go below and here you can find clear download cache. Simply need to click on clear cache option and then check if it helps to fix the problem. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, go to the link that I have given in the description, and after opening it, download and install the files and then restart your PC and log into the game and check if you can play it. So go to your browser and paste this link, and from here you can download the Visual C++ files and then install it and then try to launch the game and see if it is working now. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. Now this will take you to the Windows update page. Here you should check if any update is available. If yes, then simply update your Windows, and after that launch the game and see if it is working now. Next is to disable antivirus software. So if there are any antivirus program installed in your system, you are suggested to disable them, and after that try to launch the game. This antivirus software somewhere interrupt the game and you cannot play it. So it's suggested to first disable it and then launch the game and see if you can play it without any problem. If the problem continues, then the final solution is to reinstall the game. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage, then click on uninstall and again click on uninstall option. This will remove the game from your system. After that, restart your system once. After restarting, launch Steam and reinstall the game once more. So after reinstalling the game, click on the play option and check if it's working now or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.